Listen, let me tell you, Mason Greenwood has zero desire to play for England. You remember me tell you that. All that man want to do is play football. Yes, as a young youth growing up, you can imagine he wanted to play for England, wanted to wear the three lions and shit. But after what happened with English media, with the FA, what happened with Mason Greenwood and the woman and the people in the English media, Mason Greenwood will never go back at England. Let me explain to you why. England called him up 2000, maybe 2019, 2000. He will play one friendly match, I think, at Iceland. Yeah? No, Phil Foden, I have seen him in the group, yeah. Phil Foden, I have Mason Greenwood, I seen him in the group. Told them go look man, yeah. Party man, whatever them want. Break COVID rules, right? Both of them get suspended. The media take a wrench into Mason Greenwood. Why? Because he's a Manchester United supporter, right?